only 5,000 subscribers off of 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe for the one time. But as you know, last video we triple turboed this $1,000 piece of shit that I own. ZHP front bumper, right? ZHP rear bumper. It had ZHP mirrors, ZHP steering wheel, I guess, and it's a 6-speed manual. But the one thing that everyone would not let me go without saying was, Wyatt, not a ZHP, doesn't have a black roof. Well, $10 ZHP conversion kit.
What? Bro, headliner. Black headliner, not roof.
Oh. There is absolutely nothing that shows that it's not a ZHP. So now what do you gotta say, huh? Last thing, yes, it was Bluetooth turbos in the last video, and I understand that, but that wasn't the goal. The goal was just to get the car running. Today, we're gonna hook up the charge pipes.
What the fuck was that?
That was an alternator. We have a bunch of 90s along with couplers. So the idea here is 4-inch down to 3-inch, 3.5-inch down to 3-inch. So everything's 3 inches. We like to keep things to spec around here. 3 inches. You're gonna learn something today. Air in the turbo, out this guy. So then we're gonna 90, 90, 90, which feeds air to this turbo. 90, 90, 90, which feeds this turbo. Down here into the intake manifold. Motor, boom.
I took a ballerina down to the ball dance. Met a couple ball players, found a ball stance. Now we in the bathroom, she found a ball face.
Hopefully, we have no boost leaks. I don't think we should. The only boost leak is going to be inside of the motor. Now, obviously, the hood is not going to close, so we... We still got the hood latch. And look at this precision cut from Stefan. Last video, we also had a major problem with all 3 of the turbos falling down. Oh, turn it off, turn it off! So, we came up with a solution. We welded a 17 mil wrench on there, and now she ain't going nowhere, even if it wanted to. This thing just looks so beautiful. Could not get any better than that. We've officially done it. Made functional triple turbos. Yes, we're running no intercooler. I don't care. That thing is nasty.
About that cut, fuck it, drop your nuts. He was smoking. Okay, he got touched.
I think the window's messed up because somebody slammed the door open.
Whoever that guy was. Just look in front of us. Oh, let me check my blind spot.
We're good.
What you want to do? What you want to do?
Ah, he's knocking off on him. Oh, we're misfiring.
Oh, we're misfiring bad. We're pinned. Car's dead. Car died. Car died.
For real?
Yep.
Why did all 3 of us take this ride?
I don't know.
Like 9 vehicles at the shop.
I don't know. 4 gals in the tank, 3 dudes in the tank. Whoa, big guy, I can't see you on the right side because my turbo. I ain't stopping. I don't care if you're coming. I ain't stopping.
Oh!
Oh
my God.
Whoa! I smell fire. Celebration station.
Celebration station.
We might have to put them in. Oh my God!
You just had to put a driver in the seat.
Definitely. Oh!
Yeah, put a driver in the seat.
Did a little brake boost.
This thing is so slow. Oh, and it just died.
Yeah, it did.
Hit a little clear and disappear on him.
Oh my God! That was the most undramatic shift ever.
Y'all want to see the nastiest 1-2 in your life?
Oh my God, we're spinning. Find it.
We're going. It is 60 miles an hour.
That bitch is slow.
Yo, the heat, pull it in.
We're good back here, cuz. We're good.
It's snowing now, and obviously 3 turbos is 3 too many turbos for this car. So we're gonna hope that a single turbo E46 is gonna function.
This thing is dog slow.
This thing's slower than an N55, so. Now now it's single turboed with 2 decorations
Accessories.
on it. Also, as a typical E46, this window is stuck down, so we got Maryland Pride holding down the fort right now. But we gotta figure out how to roll it up. Well, the window didn't work before, and Stefan definitely didn't help.
Bro. I was trying to, you know what? I don't know what to do right now.
Yo! Nice.
You gotta drive like a race car, man.
Alright. Say less. What is happening? I'm new to this, but I'm still true to this. I mean...
Let me try it.
Okay, so it wasn't me. Now we can really see what's going on now. The whole, maybe that's why I wasn't making boost the whole time. Like first blew it might have blew off. We had a massive boost leak. Oh no, we had to hook up all 3 turbos again.
So it was too much air in the air. So we added air so that the sensor could read the air.
Now there's no more air. Sorry.
Oh, we're good.
Wyatt's first manual burnout. Not sorry about interrupting today's video, but Shop Webby's carries over hundreds of parts for your BMW, including things like carbon fiber steering wheels with flat bottoms. The only time we like rounded bottoms is with females.
Is your clutch slipping? Well, stop the bitching. Get yourself a clutch on Shop Webby so you can put the power to the ground and get around town.
If you're tired of having no Apple CarPlay on your stock BMW screen, Shop Webby's has Apple CarPlays for all BMWs, which makes it touchscreen, and you get Waze, music, everything you need.
Let me guess, your stock turbo still rattle. Quit the battle, be a man. Get yourself a real turbo. Top mount speed tech kit. Shop Webby.
Are you like me and cheaped out to get the tan interior? Well, no problem. Cool red leather dye from Shop Webby's. It takes only 8 coats on your tan seats to be a man. Angel light kits, charge pipes, blow-off valves, oil filter housing caps, turbos, max solenoid, carbon fiber mirror caps. Yes, they're real. Even carbon fiber trunks. The list never ends. Shop Webby's does it all. For every year BMW, make sure to go to the link in the description. Use code Wyatt when buying products for your BMW. Wyatt's first manual burnout.
Yes, sir.
No, this thing
Yeah, he was shifting that thing.
Yeah! That's almost a little bit too much fun, I ain't gonna lie.
Yo, your turbos. Yo, shit. Yo, your turbos. Yes, sir.
That bitch rips, bro.
Yeah. Take over. Yeah. Yeah.
Only one issue about takeovers.
Bro.
It's been a crazy ride with the $1,000 E46. We have all of the turbos hooked up to it. It's gonna make all the boost it possibly can.
This thing had a hard 14 miles, I'd say.
235 on the dash and 14 miles in Wyatt Webster's ownership. What was it? The shifter?
Bro,
The transmission?
it legit almost broke my hand.
What gear is that?
We found a new gear.
Now that we can no longer move the E46, see how long it can sit on redline for. answer your questions, I guess the M52 is bulletproof.
Broke the shift fork, and good old X3's pulling it in.
Don't really know what happened to the E46, to be honest, but it doesn't move. Me and Stefan tried pushing it in. This is where the shifter went. That's our shifter.
Oh my God.
The transmission mounts, both of them, they're just snapped off.
Oh my.
How are you supposed to do a 9-minute long burnout now? Right there is our drive shaft bolt. So Stefan went ahead and threw in 3 mystery bolts. Hopefully they're gonna hold, but as you can see, our drive shaft is connected again, and obviously the car was left in neutral. And in order for us to get it back into gear, because this was our shifter, Stefan took an Allen key, shoved it in the hole, and put it in second gear. So this car is pretty much an automatic now. There's no shifter, like my hand is where the shifter is supposed to be right now, but that's fine. It's just always in second. So... Bro, there's nothing. You can't see anything.
Oh, it's running bad.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Yo, it's the manifold's like on fire.
Oh, that means it's up to operating temp. Can you even see me?
No. What happened? It ain't done yet. It ain't done yet. My God, bro.
Cut off again.
It cut off again?
Yeah.
Oh, it's... Oh my God! Oh shit!
What do you think it is?
Yo, go. Go. There's a fire. Holy shit.
No, that ain't good.
Yo.